Hi everyone, it's Paddy here from arithmetichub.com, thanking you for choosing this video, but reminding you that whilst this is one method to solve questions like this, it's not the only method. With that being said, let's explore this concept a little bit further. Hi everyone, so today we're having a look at a find the whole question. Now a find the whole question is very similar to a fraction of an amount question. They're actually very similar methods. They're just basically doing the inverse when you're finding the whole, because when you're doing a fraction of amount, you've got your sort of fraction and then you've got your amount over here and you're looking for your answer. Here we've been given the answer but we didn't have the amount, so we're looking to find the amount. So the way we do that is we do the inverse. We do it slightly differently. So let's have a quick check of the method. The method says divide the given answer by the numerator and then multiply your answer to part 1 by the denominator. So here's our fraction. We know our fraction's made up of our numerator and our denominator. Numerator is the top part of the fraction, denominator is the bottom part of the fraction, and we've got our given answer over here. We're going to call that our given answer, okay? Not to be confused with your answer to part 1, which is the next bit that we'll have a bit of a look at. This is called the given answer, okay? So 3/5 of something is going to give us 21. First thing we need to do, divide the given answer by the numerator. So our given answer is 21. So we've got 21 and we're going to divide it by the numerator. 21 divided by 3. Now what I can do is I can do my 3 times tables if I need to. If I know my 3 times tables, I can just say 21 divided by 3 is going to give me 7. But I can write my 3's down if I need to. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 21 divided by 3 then is going to give us 7. So we've divided the given answer by the numerator. Then what we need to do to find our answer for this part is multiply your answer to part 1 by the denominator. My answer to part 1 was 7, wasn't it? So for part 2, what I need to do is multiply my answer to part 1 by the denominator. My answer to part 1 was 7, my denominator is 5. 7 times 5 is going to give me 35. So 3/5 of 35 is going to make 21. What we can do is we can check it as well if we want to, using our fraction of amounts method. So what I would say is 35 divided by 5 is going to give me 7. 7 times 3 is going to give me 21. Great, it works. It makes sense when we check it with a known method. Okay, so let's have a look at this one. Divide the given answer by the numerator. 32 is our given answer. Our numerator is 4. So let's have a little look. 32 divided by 4 is going to give me, now I can write my 4's out if I need to, but I know 32 divided by 4 is going to give me 8. So 32 divided by 4 is going to give me 8. Next part says multiply your answer to part 1 by the denominator. So the answer to part 1 was 8. Our denominator is 7. 8 times 7 is going to give us 56. So our answer to this question would be 4/7 of 56 is going to give us 32. Now we've got the final part of the question. Now this one is only slightly different because we've got an improper fraction over here. So let's have a look how that would look if our fraction was improper when we're finding the whole. So 11/9 of something is going to give us 132. Divide the given answer by the numerator. 132 divided by 11 is going to give me 12. So that was part 1. Part 2 says multiply your answer to part 1 by the denominator. The answer to part 1 is 12. And multiplying it by the denominator, 12 times 9. 12 times 9 I know is going to give me 108. So 11/9 of 108 is going to give me 132. If you found this video useful, then I would massively appreciate you liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you want to explore more methods or practice using the method we've looked at here, why not check out the teacher videos at arithmetichub.com. Arithmetic Hub has videos just like this on different methods, specifically targeting areas needed in Key Stage 2. There you can practice one particular skill or generate your own sets of calculations designed to challenge your understanding of all the topics covered in Years 3 to 6.